Understanding the Slang. Cheese it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got a fun and interesting phrase to explore. Cheese it. This might sound a bit quirky and confusing at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. So, let's dive right in and demystify this phrase together. Cheese it is a phrase that originated in the 19th century, and it is considered to be slang. When someone says, cheese it, they are usually telling someone to stop what they are doing immediately, often because there is a risk of getting caught. For example, if someone is playing a game at work and their boss is about to come by, their colleague might whisper, cheese it, to warn them to stop playing and get back to work. Now that we know what it means, let's see how we can use cheese it in a sentence. Remember, it is a casual and slang phrase, so it's best used in informal settings. We were about to sneak into the movie theater when we saw a security guard, so we had to cheese it. I was copying the answers from John's test when the teacher started to walk by, and he whispered to me to cheese it. In these examples, cheese it is used to quickly stop an activity that could get the person in trouble if they were caught. There are a few variations of cheese it that you might come across. One of them is cheese it, the cops, which is a way of urgently telling someone to stop what they are doing and leave the area because the police are coming. Similar expressions that convey the same meaning include cut it out, knock it off, and stop that. However, these phrases do not carry the same sense of urgency and potential risk of getting caught that cheese it does. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, cheese it. We hope you found this video informative and entertaining, and that you now feel confident in understanding and using this phrase in the right context. Remember, language is always evolving, and exploring slang is a great way to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of English. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.